Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kraken Pro account, secure guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Kraken, which is www.kraken.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button located in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your secure password. Ensure that your password is strong, containing a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, a prompt will appear for you to enter your verification code. Retrieve your authentication code from your chosen 2FA app or method. Enter the code in the provided field. After entering your details, click the Login button to access your Kraken Pro account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Follow the prompts sent to your email to reset your password. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface for a smoother trading experience. Always remember to log out after your session for enhanced security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.